everyone, this is Nandu. I present a simple project in front of you. This is my project Atm Simulation System, and I'm gonna present my PPT. Some problem on slideshow. First, ATM Simulation System using Python. Instruction objectives ATM simulations with a simple Python basic project like implementation pin verifications. Pin verification of the attempt. Enter your pin first. Pin is correct. Login successful. Incorrect. Only 3 items. Other card is blocked. And while menu, ATM menu and check balance, deposit money, withdraw money, exit. Choice. Enter your choice. I'm gonna enter my balance first, and your balance is. And enter deposit option also there. If you want to deposit, enter deposit options and amount deposit successfully. First, I'm gonna enter my PIN number. We want to choose any options like check balance and rupees display on this. Next, deposit. I'm gonna deposit 1000 rupees. Next, again check balance. It will display 1,00,000 rupees. It will display on this. Next, I want to withdraw 5,000 rupees. Again, please collect your cash. It will display now. Please collect your cash. Again, we check our money is correct or not, withdraw is correct or not. Again, display 1,00,000 rupees and exit. Thank you.